All right, here we are. Getting ready to get the suspension done at Let's Roll out here in good old Arizona. We're having the Metalcloak 3.5-inch game changer. We're having the exo skins put on. We're also going to get a bumper put on as well. The Mopar lift first, then we're going to flex it with the Metalcloak when we come back.
You for tires on the car. Stay right there. Let's get a number 2. Give you a whopping 25 and a half.
25 and a half, all right. And we're going to see what we get with the game changer.
Get with the game changer. I'm going to write that down.
Alright.
It's good. It's unlocked. I just got it in neutral with the e-brake.
Back tire's still on the ground. It just lifted. That is some serious long arm right there. Everything's tight in there. You got a tape measure handy?
What's that?
You got a tape measure handy by chance? There it is. That's freaking gnarly. All right, we just got it back. Got the Metalcloak 3.5-inch game changer with the Rock Sports on it. Had the Metalcloak exo skins put on. Protect that side from banging up. We'll get some new sliders soon. Had the Metalcloak full width bumper put on. Really like this bumper. There's the exo skins on the driver's side. So here's what we got in here. Top to bottom. Dual rate springs. This is the 3.5-inch. Got a bump stopped in there. You can Pretty good. Angle on that's not too bad, just like it's supposed to be. Everything's fitting in the right spot. Cool. I'll give you a back view here. Give you an idea of the bumper. Bumper's really cool. We'll do a video on that in a bit. So, what we got going on the Rock Sports. In the rear, everything's lined up nice. And then what we did under here, we got Adams 1310 drive shaft. Nice how it all comes together from the way that Jeep does it with their drive shaft. So check that out where you can see the differences there on the Adams. A lot of Metalcloak gold up in there. Looks pretty good. Get you nice and close on the drive shaft here. Not burning myself on the muffler. You can hear it ticking because I just got out of it. So really nice. The angle here much better than it was stock drive shaft. And this thing is a beast. So we're gonna take it out and wheel it. Make sure everything's cool. That's it.